All right, so I'm going to walk you through how to do a exponential regression on your calculator. First thing you want to do is enter the data. So I'm going to hit Stat, and I want to edit my statistical data list. So I'm going to choose Enter to choose option 1. Now I have L1 and L2 here. So I'm going to enter my X values in L1 and my R of X values in L2. So my X values are years. Just enter them in 0, 10, 14. Just make sure you don't have any typos. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it looks like I've entered 9 pieces of data into L1. And now I'm going to enter my percent of recycled paper in L2. So 20.8 plus 26.1. Oops. Nope, didn't do that right. 20, clear, goodness. 20.8, enter. Make sure it's right. 26.1, enter. Double checking as we go. 34.2, 38.3, 39.5. 2 goes with 17. 40.6. 18, we got 39.3, and our ninth row is 44.4. Now, if you don't get your data in there correctly, you're not going to get the correct answer. So just take a second and make sure you typed everything as expected. So that looks good, I think, to me. So you want to quit out of that, second quit, and you're going to want to perform the exponential regression. So go back to Stat and then arrow over to choose Calculate. Now in class we did linear regression, and you've likely seen a quadratic or a cubic regression. Exponential regression is option 0 when you scroll down. So I'm going to hit Enter. It says my X's are coming from my L1s, my Y's are coming from my L2. And then we're just going to go down, hit Enter to calculate. And this is my function. Now notice they're telling us to round to 6 decimal places when we list our A and B. So I'm going to come over here in my A, and that's 20.030097. That 7 is going to round up to 8. And my B value is 1.03962, and that last 2 will round to 3. So that gives me my exponential function, 20 point all of that junk times 1 point something to the x. So the question then asks us, what percent of paper will be recycled in 2007? 2007 is year 27. So I'm going to use these numbers as I typed in my lab to do my equation. So I've got 20.030098 times 1.03963. And because we're going to use our X value is 27 for the year 2007, I'm going to type in 27 to my exponent. And that gives me 57.19. It says round to the nearest integer, so I will say 57%. And that's all you have to do for that problem. So I hope that helps.